Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our new session, Introduction to Stata. When we start Stata, we see this interface. This interface is divided into several sections. This is the main section where results are displayed on the screen. These results are not saved unless you start some logging. Then we have this vertical interface. It records all the recently executed commands. This window is called review window, and this main big window is called results window. Towards the right on the top, we have variables window. This window will show all available variables in our datasets. And below it, we have properties window, which will show the data size, number of variables, number of nodes, file name, and other properties. And towards the bottom, we have the command window. This is the window which we shall be using most frequently. From here, we can enter commands which will be executed. Commands can be entered either through this command window, or we can also enter command using the graphical user interface. So from the graphical user interface, we can select groups of commands, for example, for summary statistics, for linear model, for binary outcomes, and so on. Sorry. Then we have one important window which is called the data editor. Once we click on this icon, we see an Excel-like spreadsheet which records our variables and data. Here we can also perform some manual actions, for example, deleting columns or deleting rows. These are the columns, and these columns represents variables. These are the rows, and these represent observations. We can reach to the data editor either by using this data editor icon, or we can type edit in the Stata command window. So both will perform the same task. One very important aspect of Stata is the replicability of what we have done. So under the reproducible research heading, we get an access to the Stata do editor. The do editor is a simple text editor which can be used for inputting Stata commands or for saving Stata commands. So previously we have, if we look at the review window, we have executed just one command, edit, and it is still there. I can take this edit command to my do editor by right clicking on it and send to do editor. It will open a new file, the do editor file, which we can save for later use. So we can again execute any command from the do editor as well as from the command window or from the graphical user interface. So if I select this line and I press on this execute selection, it will again open the data window. So this was a small introduction to the Stata interface. Next we are going to load some data and use the Do editor for storing and managing our commands. So stay tuned. Thank you.